Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Kasha M here. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for joining me again. I know that there's been a good response to my last face mask, and I promise a do-it-yourself mask made at home, made of organic products, and that is exactly what we're doing today. It is a super exfoliating mask, and my face definitely needs some exfoliation because now after getting too much sun the last few days, in the last 2 weeks, I'm starting to peel. So I'm gonna wash my face off, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the mask and walk you through the products that I used. It's very easy. It's just a few things that you can find in your home. It's gonna be milk, honey, cinnamon, olive oil, and baking soda. And I'm gonna tell you little blurbs as to what each item does in this actual mask for your face. I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and I'm going to show you the results, and I'll tell you how I feel after. So here we go. Let's go ahead and make this mask. All right, so let's mix our super exfoliating mask. All things that you can find in your home. I am going to use 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Put it right into the bowl. The baking soda in this recipe provides the exfoliation as it gently scrubs away the dead skin. 1 teaspoon of honey. Now we got olive oil and honey. This is the honey right here. So we're gonna mix that in. First we're gonna put it into the bowl, then we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, and the honey in this recipe naturally hydrates the skin, and it's rich in antioxidants, and it has antimicrobial properties. Next is, you could use vitamin E oil. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can use regular extra virgin olive oil. Pour that right in, and that is 1 teaspoon of the olive oil. And then we have 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now, cinnamon has a warming effect on the skin, and it brings fresh oxygen-rich blood to the surface to kill bacteria and detoxify the skin, and gives a healthy, rosy glow. Next, we're gonna put the 3 to 4 teaspoons of milk into the recipe. Now, mix it all up. And the milk, being a powerhouse of vitamins, it's good for including vitamin A, and it solves dry skin. So back in the day, you used to hear about women bathing in milk. It's for good cause, let me tell you. There you go. Let's go put this on our face. All right, we made it. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash my makeup off using what I always use, my oil-free eye makeup remover by Up and Up. I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna use my Mary Kay Time Wise 3-in-1 cleanser, and I'm not gonna put on any moisturizer. So let me go ahead and do that. You don't need to see me do that again, do you? Okay, let me do it fast forward. Face washed, no residue on my towel, meaning that it washed off completely. There we go. Okay, so let me put my hair back. All right, so we have the mask that we made. It thickened up a little bit while I washed my face. So we're gonna take our mask, we're gonna apply it to our face, and we're gonna do it thick. I'm gonna use a brush, as I always did. This is an e.l.f. foundation brush that I cleaned, and we're gonna put on our face. Now this, it doesn't matter if you put it underneath your eye because this is not a peel off mask. This is one that we wash off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my face, and then I'm going to put it into the skin in a circular motion so I can exfoliate the skin. Now, most of my exfoliation is needed on my cheeks and on my forehead, so I'm not gonna put a lot everywhere, but I'm definitely putting it on thicker on my face, on my cheeks and on my forehead, because that's where I need it most. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a circular motion. Ooh. Okay, let's speed this up. I'm gonna put some on my chest too, because I did get some sunburn there. As it sticks because of the honey, I know I look ridiculous, but you know what? It feels amazing. It smells good. It is dripping, but as I put it on, it sticks with the honey. And I put on another layer, if you're noticing, because there's a ton of this. You can probably do 2 masks out of this, or you and your mom or a girlfriend, you both can work out of the same bowl, or maybe not out of the same bowl, but split it up into 2 bowls. Okay, it's tingling a little bit. It feels good. Okay, now I'm gonna, in circular motion, rub it into my skin. And then you leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, we wash it off and moisturize. It's dripping. It will drip. It feels cool and really good on your skin. If you get in your eyes, I mean, there's nothing acidic other than the baking soda really that you gotta be careful for. But, oh my God, it feels so good. The cinnamon, and you can feel the moisture from the olive oil working too. As you can see. You see I'm working on my cheeks here and my forehead mostly, because that's where I want to exfoliate my skin the most, and my chest. All right, see you in 10 to 15 minutes. All right, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. What did you do during your 15 minutes of having this dry on your face? You know, this is my me time series, so it's supposed to be about relaxation. Yeah, I didn't do that. I went through in a load of laundry. Completely forgot what this is all about. But my face is being exfoliated. I had a great day. It's fine. So I'm okay with not relaxing those 15 minutes. Laundry's getting done. But my face feels amazing. This is dry. It's sticky, meaning that it's dry. See, it's not coming off. So let's wash it off. You're supposed to use circular motions just like you did to apply it with warm water, okay? Not hot, not cold, warm water, okay? Because you do have honey in there, so you gotta get that off your face. So here we go. We're gonna wash this off. Don't get it in your eyes. Oh my God, don't get it in your eyes. I'm using my R2D2 washcloth like that. Oh my God. It burns if you get in your eyes. Don't get in your eyes. Fuck. So you're nice and rosy. That's because of a lot of things. One, just exfoliate your skin, and because of the cinnamon. So that's gonna clear up. Let's dry off my face and put some natural moisturizer on now. I have coconut oil to moisturize my face with. Why am I using coconut oil? Because you can put on your face with a nice light layer, and you can sleep with it, and you don't have to worry about it irritating your skin or anything of that nature. It is organic, and you want to pat dry your skin after all that. Oh my gosh, my face feels amazing. Oh, it feels better than after last mask. Can you believe that? It feels so much better. Oh my gosh. And I use natural products, which I'm really happy about. Okay, so I'm gonna use coconut oil. I got this at Aldi, of all places, Aldi. It is organic. It is unrefined, cold pressed virgin oil, coconut oil. Yeah, great. Reasonably priced. It was under $5. So I got my coconut oil here. It's about a tablespoon. Just put on my finger and gently, I'm gonna rub it into my skin. I don't even need this much, to be honest, but I wanted to show you. Oh, we're gonna smell like cookies today. Coconut oil and cinnamon. Are you kidding me? How am I gonna fall asleep? I'm gonna be wanting cookies tonight. Dang it. Whatever. Oh, it feels so nice. I feel like I'm on the beach. This reminds me of sunscreen. No, don't use this as sunscreen. Do not do that. This is to moisturize. You're gonna wash this off in the morning with warm water, and you're gonna be loving how your skin feels. See, I don't even need that much. I literally only need just a dab. So I'm gonna put this on my elbows too tonight. Put on my lips. Yeah, you're gonna be a little shiny, but you know what? You're going to bed and you're doing self-care, and that's what matters right now. You and your body, and making me time for yourself, or you time for yourself. This was my me time. Putting this here. My redness went away on my neck here. I'm very happy about that. And that's that. I'm gonna let this soak into my skin. But that's the most natural way you can exfoliate your skin and moisturize. So I hope you liked this video. Tell me what you thought in the comments below. Subscribe. I have new things that I'm working on. I want to do this aloe vera video for you guys, and I don't know if you saw the last video, you'll know that I did actually recover my fall bridal market video, so I'm very excited about that. So have a great night, enjoy your me time. Tell me what you're doing for your me time below. Comment, message me. A lot of you have done that. You don't have to do it privately. Put them in the comments below. This is good for people to see, viewers to see that people are watching. I want people to know that you like my stuff. So good morning. I wanted to do a quick update. I just washed my face off from the coconut oil, and I have to tell you, my skin feels so velvety soft. Oh my god, it's smooth. I don't think I've ever had skin like this before. So this is definitely gonna be a once a week exfoliation that I'm gonna be doing. I love how my kid hung up the towel. But the one thing that you will find is that your hair gets really oily because it gets into your hairline. But you know what? The coconut oil really just made a great finish on my skin after that exfoliating mask. So the other thing I wanted to let you guys know is yesterday, after the exfoliation, my blackheads on my nose all came up. So I got rid of them. So I have a clear nose today. I have no blackheads. I'm excited about that. So not only does it exfoliate well, you use natural products, things that are around your house, things that you actually can ingest. You put it on your face so you know you're not putting any kind of chemicals on your face. And it did what it's supposed to do, exfoliated beautifully, and you use natural oil in order to moisturize. So if that's not amazing, I don't know what is. So I highly recommend this. Don't do it too often because it does really exfoliate well. But I mean, I hope you can benefit from this mask the way I did. Like, subscribe, comment below, tell me what you think of this mask. I look forward to doing the next mask for you. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me.